Cross leg position with closed eyes. Sitting with closed eyes, resting the hands into chin mudra, touching the index finger and thumb together. Sit straight and just observe the breath for few seconds. Become aware of each and every breath going in and out from the nostril, and the breath which is in and out reaching to the stomach as well. So you are taking a full breath. We will be today chanting Om meditation. We will be doing Omkar, also considered as Omkar pranayam. First, I want you to bring the attention to your navel. Om has a 3 root sound. One is Akar, sound of A. One is Ukar, sound of O. One is Makar, sound of Ma. When you chant Akar, the focus point will be navel. So few rounds, we will just chanting A sound from the navel. Then we will switch the attention to the chest. We will be chanting O sound, few, switching the attention to the Bhrumadhya, the eyebrow center, you will be chanting Ma. So bring the attention to the navel, take one deep inhale, longer Akar sound. Focus on the navel as well. Now move the attention to the chest, focus there, Ukar sound, sound of O you will chant. Inhale, move the attention to third eye, focus there, Makar sound. Inhale, Now again bring the attention to the navel. One time akar, then we will move. Another time ukar, then we'll move to third eye makar. Each breath, each sound, and each focus. Inhale, navel. Now chest, inhale. Makar, third eye. Now all three together with a single exhalation. And each time when you're changing the sound, you're changing the focus point also. Inhale. Now silence. Just feel the vibration to your whole body. Feel the energy to the whole body. And now try to draw the mind outside. Take one deep inhale. Join your palms together. 1 Om and 3 Shanti will end today. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palm. First we'll cover the eyes. Then slowly from top to bottom, touch every parts of the body with your hands. Then slowly, gently open your eyes. Namaste.